The OP token is finally out, the Optimism token. If you don't know, whoever qualified, meaning whoever was already using, was part of the DAO and was using overall the Optimism chain, which is an L2. It is a scalable solution for Ethereum. Whoever was using that could qualify to receive this OP token, which is the brand new token from Optimism. Of course, Arbitrum also did that. They launched their own token. I don't use Arbitrum. I used it very little, so I did not qualify for that airdrop. But for the Optimism, yes, because if you follow the channel, I use perp.com because it is a fantastic protocol where I can do my trades, where I can just get a passive yield from that. I already talked about how you can make a ton of money with liquidity mining, with perpetuals on perp.com. So I use Optimism quite a lot. So I qualified for some OP tokens. So I'm going to show you how much I got and how to claim that. I still don't know if I'm doing this right. We will have to figure it out together because it's the first time that I'm doing it. And so you can also see how does that look? How do you do that by yourself? This is going to be a very short video so you can just see if you're qualified to get this Optimism token as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. I have to show you the graph, the Optimism graph, because when it launched yesterday for me at around 4.5 or 4.4 US dollars. Yeah, 4.4 US dollars. And now we are at 1.46. This is of course because the price of it, everyone is selling that token. I think the price is still gonna fall a lot, because of course a ton of people are gonna get this OP token, sell it for more ETH, sell it for USDC, USDT, whatever. But I think once the airdrop is over, from what I read, this has only been 14 or 15% of the people received their airdrop or claimed their airdrop. But I think once this airdrop dump is over, this token, it is a good token. The network, it is a really good network, very fast, very responsive, and very cheap. I was very scared when I started using it because I thought, well, this is gonna suck because it is an Ethereum base, because it is an L2 from Ethereum, so the gas fees are gonna eat my money. I don't have that money to be paying gas fees left and right. This is not what happened. It was very cheap. I could make transactions with less than $20 for everything. I spent weeks using only that $20 that I put in Ethereum to pay for the gas fees. So the fees were very, very cheap. There was like cents, very cheap. So overall, I am a huge fan of Optimism. It is a great solution for the Ethereum network. I'm not so sure about Arbitrum because I'm not an avid user. I don't use it at all. I don't use it at all. I don't have any opinions about it because I'm not a user. I cannot tell you if it is way faster, way slower, if it is better or worse, because I've used it twice, 3 times to make a video about it, and it was okay. It was probably the same speed. I don't know if because it was congested or it was free that day, so the transaction speeds were okay. They were nothing to complain about. So this is the price. You can see it dumped a lot. It just fell a little bit more right now as we speak. How do you go? Where do you go to see if you're qualified? You have to go to the app.optimism.io, and then you gotta go to the announcement. Now it says this right here because probably my MetaMask is connected, but once you get right here, you should see this right here. You should be connected to your wallet, and then you're gonna scroll down. You're gonna read all of this. Very good, very nice website. And then once you're done, right here, you get to the airdrop number 1 eligibility, and you can see I qualified. I am not a DAO voter. I don't have a multi-sig. I have not donated to Gitcoin, and I did not priced out of Ethereum. I just transferred the money directly to here. So I got 2,469 OP tokens. Now I can click right here and claim these tokens, which is what I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna click and start claim process. I'm going to click right here again. Oh, and it seems like I have to do a quick questionnaire. Yeah, I have 3 questions to answer. So I'm going to go through this. We're going to probably speed it up so I can read it, everything, and then I can answer these questions. Once you've answered those questions for me, now it has the constitution. You read this constitution right here. Of course, I don't think a bunch of people will read them. We can take a little look at them just to see. Oh, it's very short. Actually, I thought it was going to be something like 15-20 pages. Yeah, it is very short. So if it is something that you want to learn more, if you want to understand more, this right here, you should read probably everything about it. I'm not going to read it right now. I'm probably going to go back on the video and read them later. But once you do this right here, you select this little box and you click on continue, choose a delegate. And once you've done everything, you just click right here on claim OP. I don't know if I have enough ETH. I think I do. It says tokens claimed, so let's check it out right here. So there you go. For me, it already shows on MetaMask. I'm gonna leave the contract address so because you have to add that address on your MetaMask for you to see. Once you do that, you can delegate. I'm not gonna delegate right now, but you can just click delegate and you should pay another fee. I don't have enough ETH. I'm gonna transfer some ETH right here so I can delegate. But you can delegate that money. You can sell that money. You can do whatever you want. Of course, if you believe in the token and in the protocol itself, don't sell that money. Eventually, I think it will go up. Right now, it will probably go down a little bit more just because people are taking profits. If you want, you can take profits on, you can take partial profits on some of it. And then later on, you can sell the rest of it. But I think the Optimism token will become a very important token in DeFi just because Optimism is a fantastic network. It is really fast, as we saw. It's really fast. I really enjoy it overall. So I'm gonna take some partial profits, but overall I'm gonna keep part of it over here so we can later on see what happens to these tokens. So this is basically it. Now if you want to sell this, you can go to Uniswap, QuickSwap, Aave, whatever you use to swap these tokens. You can swap them to Ethereum, whatever you feel like it. But if you want to hold them, I think delegating is a good thing because you're going to be helping the protocol itself. So now let me know down in the comments if you got these airdrops, if you qualified for any of it, and if you enjoyed, because it's basically just because you use the protocol, just because you were interacting with the protocol itself. So this is always a good thing. It means the developers are really looking after the users as well. So I did enjoy this. I am very happy with what happened. And yeah, let's see how this token will perform in the future. So this is going to be it. Very short video, as I said, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss these next videos. And if you already did, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow for another one. See ya.